Okay, so what's up, guys? So today we're going live with Slime RNG M2, Slime RNG Day 3. Okay, so now we have updated the stream, so let's get going and go into Slime RNG. Oh, let's go. Okay, stream elements. Because, oh my god, we get a rebirth. So we're all going for our luck has increased to 16. So let's go. We have some very good. We're gonna have 60 damage if I just take one. No, okay, I feed him the okay, first, more first. Here, and I throw out items. Oh my god, I didn't know. We have a big guys. Come on, 2 o'clock. Big. Insane. Big Brutus as well. This is a global chat. Yes. What is we have? Okay, golden roll. For oh my Frankie and Simon. What can we offer? This guy's 20 mil. I don't know if that's good actually. But let's see. Okay, let's go. We have 90. Now we need 50k for. Okay, now. Then we're almost there. Where is that like double row thing? Is it not hard to range? Like, okay, go. Very pretty. Okay, bonus. Okay, almost. We get 3 bonuses. I have 6. No. I have 143 leaves. That is insane. Okay. Oh, we can go to. Okay. I remember this place. I remember like, me and my friend when we were playing. Bro, we were so much 8 times up, but me and my friends we were playing this in this place here. And I was like farming and this was actually the time when I didn't stream. Bonus. Oh, I wouldn't really say I was close to bonus. Okay, big. This is big. 49k. No. Okay, shiny Scrotchy. Is that a new bet? Yes, it is. Look at that shiny Scrotchy. Boys. No, I'm not. 400k. How many spikes do I have? 7. That's good. Ooh, yes, shiny play. I get 1 shiny dice. We're gonna get big. Oh, spike. Shiny dice. Boom. So let's go. Shiny and shiny dice. Bonus. Big. Oh no. That's not that good. Shiny blue. That's not good. It's not good. Now we're in Iceland. Oh my god, I thought it was gonna get like an 8 times. But that didn't happen. Okay, so we need 2 million for next upgrade. And after that we can get 2K. This is where I left off, I remember. Wait. How good are spiders of 4K? That's pretty good. No, that's right, yes. Walk speed isn't good. Imagine if you like open these chests, that would be crazy. I don't know if that's it. Glue is super good. How did goop cost? I mean goop. Bonus or just glue? Goop. Okay. Oh, nice. Yeah, now the golden thing. And glue. Is shiny line better? If I get now index, Shiny's gonna up to 50. Okay, so huge is in this. If I don't count inverted, then huge. Before to unlock 8 brooders. What can I have? 2. Okay. This pair is getting so much. How many are there? And how many? It feels like infinity. So I can't get hot, but I can't get higher. An enemy move. Oh, wait! No! Franken slime. I want the huge. Huge. These are all shiny. I have best memory. Oh my god, I got an axe. I got an axolotl, but that doesn't count as a big enemy. If you have like super high luck, then you get something like super good. Then that's insane. How many Franken lines do I know? They're like 1 million. Is it possible to get 2 times luck? And is it possible to get like 2 times luck? And then okay. I'm just seeing how high I can go up. cave, new cave. Okay, good, okay, this is not Rocky. Rocky's made. I got a free Rocky. My favorite one is my actual one. This feed actually. No, it's still over 5. It's still over 5. I need 12 million to enter heaven. I can see the way all the way. All the way here. Okay, 4. Okay, that's okay. This better. Oh, we were so close hitting the ball. Okay, 2x lock. Yeah. Come on, okay, or. I remember when Orca. The best one I had. That was memory. Was it? Yeah. Okay. 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 8. Oh my god. Okay, cool. Now we have higher coin. That is good. That is good. Okay. What's this one? An ultra luck boost. That's insane. Okay, give me first. Okay. Let me just. Oh, taco. That might be that. Okay, taco. Because if I just go over to search. Oh! This is pretty nice. I'm not watching myself live. Let me type high. I can't type high. That's not. Okay. Going to overkill enemy. Okay, I'm gonna get this overkill. I'm gonna get overkill. Oh, yeah, okay, gold. Okay, big. Okay, it's not good. Shiny glue. What is actually mine? It's over 20k. That's a mic. That's a mic. I like to get like a 1 in 5 though. That would be crazy. I think like I don't have Robux, so like I can't really pay to win this. So okay, I don't need that much goop. Right now to go to shop. So shop is useless. Oh my. Okay, permanent lucky roll. Boost saver 1 to 2. That didn't. Smash and fixed. Okay, so technically, if I buy, okay, now I can buy hot dog. I'm gonna buy the hot dog option. Okay, hot dog. Right off the bat, a hot dog. Insane. How good is a hot dog? Okay, so right now. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep watching my stream. Okay, type in the. Okay, so type in the chat, the Roblox chat if you're watching the stream. Okay, now that was the global chat. I don't want to buy this. It's a waste. I have one viewer. Who's actually? No, wait, chat. When was the admin review? Okay, you join event. Wait. So it's May 23rd. So okay, I bet. I'm gonna stream. I'm gonna stream on the admin abuse. I'm gonna oh, that's not good. That's not that good. Okay. That was a Roblox glitch. Oh, 3 locks. Oh, it takes locks. Oh my, an orc. No, was that like the worst I could get? An orc is pretty mid. Or very mid. Yeah, I forgot to try out the hot dog. First, we got the fries. Level 6. And we have cheese and upgrade. We'll do this taco. It's very easy. As well as going soon. Good. Oh my god, I don't need as much goop as okay. This is stream. Okay, 8 blocks, please 6. No, I want might be bad session. I have been streaming for 20 minutes and I have gotten nothing good. Damn. Okay. I haven't had 242. My real roll count is 800. Oh, taco. Wait, is the first thing is good. It's hot dog, right? Yeah, it's hot dog. That's the best thing I've ever. Let's feed him. So if I feed this dude, he'll be level 3. My goal is to get like a shiny or like big dice. Then I'll take that and okay. So far so not that good. So far so not that good. Oh nah, I'm not playing with that. No friends, am I? Okay, big. Oh my god. No, this is huge. This is huge. That's the same hit. It's gonna be my 4th best or 3rd if they switch this. So. Oh my god. Big again. What? I have 1 in 53. And that's not even, and it doesn't even have any like mutation. Okay, but I'm gonna try to get to heaven, cause then I can earn more money. What? I earn. The money is high, man. I'm getting a lot of money. I'm earning a lot of money. He ghosted all yours. The thing that bro doesn't know is that I'm a live to 0. Okay, glue. Oh shit. Oh, okay, I'm not even that sure about. Oh my god. Oh my axolot, that's my best. Okay. Oh wait, finally. Now I'm in heaven. What's this? Crafting machine after 1 million. So I need to find a receipt in the cave zone. There's a receipt. What now? Is this like some like fuse machine like in Steal a Brain on? boy on you. Okay, so we have found the lock. So we started off in like that desert, and then we came all the way to a new area, heaven. Let me just claim this right here. Okay, I'm gonna end the stream when we hit jungle. I'm not Reaver. Hey! Okay, big. Yes! Give me my money! So let's just go equip that. Listen, bro, equipping! Bro is clear, right? Moving clear! Let's just feed this dude right here. And then feed the hot dog to this dude, and then just feed this dude to this dude. Okay. Oh yeah, also let's play. But I can't. What possibly can we upgrade? When we hit 20 million, I will end the stream when we hit 20 million cash. Or if we rebirth. What can I possibly upgrade here? No, man. Not yet. I'll buy that next stream, next video. It depends where you watch the video. Mushy on the bone. So we have gotten way more. This is the only guy that we haven't upgraded, and right now it seems like big. Is it good big or bad? Is it bad? No, it's bad. I wish you could sell these for money, and that would be a huge stretch. Okay. So we hit 20 million. That means the stream ends. So, but before that, I'm gonna upgrade this and say some words. Boom, and thank you for watching the stream. And it depends if you're watching on YouTube or if you watch the stream. So bye guys.